When it comes to tractors, bigger's always better, right? You silly little man, you thought that was going to be the story until this happened. As you can see, this story took a detour. The right size tool for the right size job, that story will still come through as well as a secondary story. So I'm going to show you the impact almost in real time. Don't worry, it doesn't take long. And then I'll follow up with some cool time-lapse photos of moving and spreading gravel, something I haven't done a lot of. So this was a nice lesson for me. But make sure you stick around for the end of the video because I have 2 lessons that I really learned from this. And if I would have done either one of them, the damage would not have happened. Most importantly, we'll also talk about, is my neighbor still talking to me? Do you have a story where you damaged something with your tractor or you damaged your tractor? I bet there's some awesome stories out there. Hey, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And most importantly, what lessons did you learn from your mistake? Let's get back to the story already in progress. Bigger's always better, right? In some cases, that is true. But then in other cases, like today, I'm going to be helping a neighbor move some gravel. And I think you'll see that my tractor is just the right size for this task. Let's get started. Sorry. The two lessons I learned is one, fight distraction. When I came around that garage on my right side, that right corner sunk into a little soft spot. It wasn't bad, but it definitely took my attention away from what I was doing. So distraction was the first thing that got me. The second one, the bucket was empty at that point. There was no reason for me to not lift the bucket high enough so that I could easily clear the pool. So that was number two. One, distraction. Two, secure the bucket before getting distracted. As you can see, it was a tight fit for JD. JD at the edge of the rear wheels is 48 inches wide, and I had less than 2 inches on each side to fit through that space. As you can also see, it was too tight for the ROPS, so I had to drop that too. It was going to be just a little too close. JD performed beautifully though. The fault was mine. Worked beautifully within the confines of those small spaces. No problems. I had about 500 pounds in the ballast box, but as you could see, when I had a bucket full of gravel, the rear end would hop. Let's just say I was a little light in the bottom. I need more weight in that ballast box. A project for the future. Now, my neighbors, thankfully they're gracious people. We're good. We've spoken since. Yeah, me and my neighbor, we're good. By the way, JD and I just added a new member of the team, so keep your eyes peeled for that unboxing video. JD and I appreciate you watching. So from Projects with Tim and JD, I'm Tim, and that's JD. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's not an excuse.
Yeah.
I was sinking in here, which was scaring me, and I kind of lost track of my front. So I'm so sorry.
Okay.
All right, do we want to continue? How are we feeling?